सुप्रभात आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य, प्रशिक्षकगण व मेरे प्रिय मित्रों। मैं यश कुमार कक्षा 12वीं स का छात्र आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत हुआ हूँ। आज हमारी कक्षा एक प्रार्थना सभा का आयोजन करने जा रही है, जिसका शीर्षक है जीवन में शिष्टाचार व मौलिक नियमों का महत्व।
Manners are a sensitive awareness of the feelings of others. If you have that awareness, you are a good person, no matter what food you use. A very good morning to one and all. I am Sumita Bhatia of class 12C and I welcome you all to the first virtual assembly of class 12th, being presented by our class 12C. As students, we all understand the value of education and the fact that education is not limited to our books. The purpose of education is to imbibe good manners, cultural ethics, and good etiquette into an individual. Through education, we intend to make the society a more responsible world towards the situations of the world. And hence, we can say that good manners and ethics go a long way in building a strong nation.
अब मैं कक्षा 12वीं स की प्रियम से निवेदन करूंगा कि वह मंच पर आए व प्रार्थना आरंभ करें।
Just a way to show the person that you have respect for them. With this quote by Bill Kelly, I invite Utkarsh to read the newspaper headlines.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Utkarsh Kashyap. I am from class 12C and today's main headlines are Crash Escape Encounter Dubey Saga Was Ends in UP Field. Kazakhstan rejected the China warning on new outbreak.
अब मैं कक्षा 12वीं स की भूमिका से निवेदन करूंगा कि वे मंच पर आएं व आज का सुविचार प्रस्तुत करें।
Good morning everyone. I, Bhumika Sankla of class 12C, going to read the thought of the day. Personality can open the doors, but only character can keep them open.
After this wonderful thought presented by Bhumika, let's move on to the next presentation, which is a speech. And here is Ekta with her speech.
A very good morning to one and all present over here. I am Ekta of class 12C, would like to give speech on manners and ethics. Someone has rightly said, manners maketh a man. Manners are the building blocks of values that are essential for success in life. A human being must possess good manners to attain honor in a civilized society. Manners are what we exactly learn from childhood and hold great importance from the point of personal, social and spiritual development. Ethics, on the other hand, are how do we actually behave in the face of difficult situations. Ethics are the code or principle on which one's character depends. Do you know why good manners are essential for human beings? Manners and ethics bring decency and sophistication in one's personality. A well-mannered person possesses superior personality than one who lacks manners. Leaving parents in old age home, assaults on women, fighting over property, reflects how people are lacking in morals. Ethics and manners must be developed from the early stage of life so that an individual must develop decent habits and charming personality. How do manners affect your life? Manners will affect a lot on people's judgment about you. Using good manners in life will have a great influence on you. When people admire you because of your good behavior and manners, they give you a high self-esteem and high self-confidence, which are the two key factors for a successful and helpful life. At last, I would like to say that there are some things that money can't buy, like manners, ethics, and morals. Thank you.
अब कार्तिक कक्षा 12वीं स का छात्र आपके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करेगा।
सुप्रभात। मैं कार्तिक पांडे कक्षा 12वीं का छात्र आप सभी के समक्ष शिक्षा हमारे जीवन में कितनी महत्वपूर्ण है इस विषय में आपके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। बहुत ज़रूरी होती है शिक्षा, सारे अवगुण धोती है शिक्षा, चाहे जितना पढ़ ले हम पर कभी न पूरी होती शिक्षा। शिक्षा पाकर ही बनते हैं नेता अफसर शिक्षक, वैज्ञानिक यंत्री व्यापारी या साधारण रक्षक। कर्तव्यों का बोध कराती, अधिकारों का ज्ञान शिक्षा से ही मिल सकता है सर्वोपरि सम्मान। बुद्धिहीन को बुद्धि देती, अज्ञानी को ज्ञान, शिक्षा से ही बन सकता है भारत देश महान।
Life, we must remember that we have to reap what we sow, and hence we must be good to others if we want to be treated the same. And with this thought, I would like to invite Karishma with the Good Manners song.
Remember to cover your mouth when you sneeze or when you cough. Use a tissue and wash your hands. That is always the best plan. Use your manners everywhere. Don't forget the magic words. You must use them wherever you go. Thank you, sorry, excuse me, please are kind words to say you all sing. Use your manners everywhere, anytime and anywhere. Good manners matter, all of them you have to master. Be respectful all the times, wait your turn and be on time. Keep your hands to yourself. Listen when others are talking as well. Use your manners everywhere. Don't forget the magic words. You must use them wherever you go. Thank you, sorry, excuse me, please are kind words to say or sing. Use your manners everywhere, anytime and anywhere. Good manners matter, all of them you have to master. Thank you.
अब कक्षा 12वीं स के छात्र व छात्राएं आपके समक्ष एक प्रहसन प्रस्तुत करेंगे।
Laura, did anything come in the mail for me? I was supposed to get a package.
No, ma'am.
Are you sure? Because tracking says it's been delivered. Why would they say it's been delivered if it hasn't been delivered? Post office lying?
No, ma'am.
Does that mean you are lying?
Maybe it was delivered to some wrong address, or neighbor has it.
The neighbor? I'll wait for one more day. But if I find you are lying, where is my pasta? Did you eat my pasta?
No, ma'am.
Your daughter did. I was saving that for my lunch.
Ma'am, she hasn't been there. Maybe it was Nick or little Jamie.
You are going to blame my husband and son. Look, there is evidence.
I promise I never did any of those things.
First, you steal my package, and then you ate my lunch. Then you blame the mess you made on my husband and my son.
Ma'am, this was a terrible misunderstanding. I never did any of those things.
Get out. You are fired.
Ma'am, after all these years, please, I need this job. This is how I fed my daughter. Ma'am,
If you don't get out right now, I am going to call the authorities on you.
ma'am,
Hey honey, I missed you.
Mom, we had so much fun at the park.
Oh, well, I am glad. I, on the other hand, have been dealing with so much.
I'm sorry, what's wrong? And why are you cooking? I mean, shouldn't Laura be doing that?
I had to fire her.
Fire Laura? I don't understand. I mean, she has been with us almost 10 years. She's practically family.
Yeah, and she's been stealing right out from under us. We were just too blind to see it.
Stealing? Really? I don't understand.
Long story. Let me fix you a plate and then I will explain.
You know what, honey? We are not really hungry. I mean, Jamie and I had some spaghetti in the refrigerator, so we are not really hungry. We ate that.
Spaghetti in the refrigerator?
Oh, I'll get it.
That was you too?
It was really good. I had a little accident.
What do you mean, son?
I spilled a little while eating, and I was scared to get in trouble, so I didn't tell anyone.
You are the one that spilled? That was you?
You won't believe that, but the post office sent the package to the neighbors.
The neighbors had the package?
Yeah. And I still don't understand that. Why you fired Laura? I mean,
पीएम से निवेदन करूंगा कि वे मंच पर आएं और शांति पाठ आरंभ करें।
शांति अंतरिक्षदं शांति पृथ्वी शांतिरापा शांतिरोषधय शांति वनस्पतय शांति विश्वदेवा शांति ब्रह्मा शांति सर्वदं शांति शांतिरेव शांति सामा शांतिरेति Om Shanti Shanti. I would like to thank our Honorable Principal Ma'am, dear teachers, and all the co-mates who are present here. Thank you for giving your valuable time.